Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College, Nusharaf Rose, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 5, operating systems and user interface. So dear students, in this chapter we will learn about the operating system and the functions of operating system, and we will have to concentrate that how a user interface is created during the operating system. So dear students, an operating system is one of the softwares and it is also a type of system software, and operating system enables computer to perform routine tasks. Dear students, without the operating system, our computer cannot work properly even if the operating system is disturbed, so our computer cannot display the results of processed data on the screen, and graphical user interface becomes impossible. Because dear students, operating system is the complete source to operate the system, and visual information is possible when the operating system of our computer is workable. Dear students, sometimes our data is destroyed, or inserting the virus into our computer cannot perform properly because of using a lot of virus in our computer, and our computer cannot display the results of processed data on the screen properly because of virus is infected in our computer, and we will have to reinstall operating system in our computer. Dear students, operating system is the soul of the system. Operating system is the complete source of the system which enables computer to perform routine tasks such as starting up, booting up, and shutting down. Operating system enables our computer to perform a routine task and activate all the peripheral devices that are attached to the main system unit. Operating system also loads the files during execution, during processing. So operating system is the most important software, and without the operating system our computer cannot perform its routine tasks. So dear students, in this chapter we will discuss what is a software, what is system software, what is an operating system, and how user interface is possible in such conditions when operating systems is up to date. So dear students, in this chapter we are going to discuss some details of operating systems and user interface. So operating system has been defined and we are going to define user interface. Dear students, if in our computer operating system is workable, then user interface is possible, because user interface is the way in which user communicates with computer and gives instructions to computer to perform a specific task. Dear students, in today's lecture we have discussed about an operating system and user interface user interface in which a user gives instructions to the computer to perform a specific task. So all these activities are possible when our operating system is up to date into our computer. So dear students, today's lecture ends here and we will meet in coming up lecture. So your homework is that you will have to define operating system in your own words and you will have to give ideas of user interface. So dear students, your definitions should be in voice message and share your definitions in voice message on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture is winded up here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 6.